Oh, wait. Oh, thăng thật. It's okay, I will never forget you. You just scare me. You just scare me. He just scared me. And why are you doing like that? And why are you crying? You're the one scared me. Why is not working? Think you're the kindest person ever. Sorry. Dude, Nora. You sure? Yes. Record what she. I record, but it's kinda lagging. I record this, but it's kinda lagging. So guys, she actually the scammer. She just scammed me. I just give her my egg to her to take care, and she acting like cause you are recording. I know. She just yelling when I not record. She's just yelling when I not record. Thanks, girl. Okay, so she is my bestie. This is real, I feel. What the hell you feel? Oh, my friend just kicked her out. Oh, she's so bad. Hi. Go over. Sorry. Why are you sorry? Why are you sorry me? This is recording. Why are you sorry me? This is recording. You have to sorry poor kangaroo. You have to sorry poor kangaroo. Poor, the kangaroo is so poor, you know. And treating different good person. Why you said me? Thanks. Thanks, girl. Okay, so let me pick is better than anything. Okay, so you can talk what you want now. Okay, target. Okay, so okay. Okay, shut up. Shut up. Okay. Talk more. Talk more to YT. Okay, talk more to YT. Okay, talk more to YT. So my YT name. So the name am Nora Crystal. The name am Nora Crystal. Oh, you don't have to say that. Have to say that. I already record when you scam. Okay, so when she come in here, I'm gonna say that. You don't have to say that. I already record when you scam. Oh, it is so damaging. Lol. You don't have to say lol in your faces. So guys, so her username is Adopt Me Bestie. So make sure that you guys can go to report her in your faces. It's okay, guys. She just scammed my egg and the kangaroo. Say bye to your kangaroo. No, it's mine, lol. Bruh, I'm flexing. I still have kangaroo and a lot and more neon turtles. Bro, I still have kangaroo and more neon turtle. You don't have to say that because I have neon kangaroo. Also, I have this guy. Look. 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 I'm flexing. Okay, so I'm flexing all. This is the cool flexing ever. Because when you take out and put out all the pets, so say anything. So say anything. Because guys, when I am and I love to be the spider to killing her as all my faces. Yeah, I just hate her really much because she's a scammer. Why the record is not working? It's kind of lacking, sorry guys. So let me put my ear. Say something, okay? I can flex you more. I can flex her, okay? You want me to flex you, my young dragon, in the last moment? She has to shut up in the trash it now. I'm sorry that even to roll because she's so YS locking. Wait, why she trade me? Wow, you still here? She's still here. She's still here. Still here. I was too kindnesses. Yes. See if you look. Aww. 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 Ha 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 ha. He just lives a word, right? Okay. She go to another store. Yeah, it's mean scold her. It's mean scold her. Yeah, it's mean scold. Oh my god, I'm actually well. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, did she friend you? Did she friend you? Okay, I follow it. So guys, let's see what's happening. So my friend is going to go in there. She just left. Yeah, I see. Yeah, I see. Yeah, I see. Oh, she actually not unfriend me. Oh my god, this is so... Oh my god. You guys know that always the scammer, it just always just scam us and just go away as we can. Aww. Why am I too laggy? If you're fight, I can't fight it. Yeah. It's okay. Also, my recorder is lagging. Also, my recorder is lagging. It's still record but lagging. It's still record but lagging. So guys, so make sure that you guys that have to be careful when you're going to doing trade. And also guys, you guys have to note that there has a lot of scammer, like a scammer friend, scammer best friend, scammer boyfriend, or scammer girlfriend, or like a scammer unknown or scammer kind person. There's a lot of scam. And you guys can say something in my comment section down below if you guys want to ask me something, or you guys want me to doing something. It's cool guys, it's good. Next time when you're fighting, just say how YS. Aww, thanks. It's okay, YS. I can absolutely end her twice first. Cool, thanks. Cool. Oh, my bestie is so cool. And I don't know, guys, that when this is going to be end. Why? Because this is lagging. I'm lagging right. Okay, guys, exactly right now he he just left the server. And also guys, I hope you guys watching all my videos. It's only a kind of 20 videos only. Yeah, so make sure that I hope you guys. Oh yes, yes. Is this turtle normal? Yeah. Oh wait. Yeah. It's the normal turtle. How many total do you have? I only have enough total to make makeup, but I trade my one for her, so I need last. Oh, I only have enough total to make makeup, but I trade for her, so I need last. Oh my god, my friend Kita Leona. Hi, oh, hi. Sorry if I'm too scary for you guys. Let me change into Blue the Water Dragon. Yeah, I love blue out. Yeah. What you wanna say? I have this dino trait. My habit already. Oh, my hair, I have it already. I trick. Oh my god. Why is that oh my god on me? I just get from tray. I didn't get from egg. Aww. Oh, I love this dragon. Oh, they're so adorable. Yes, sir. Why she said nothing then bye? Why you're so quiet? Oh my god, you're so quiet. It's from trade. It's from trade. Trade. I never hatched Dino Legend. I never hatched a Dino Legend. My kangaroo normal is from trade. My kangaroo normal from trade. I traded for a few hours. Before I give her the egg. So understand? Don't think that. So my friend said I traded my pink cat for her, exactly. And also, you know guys what I get? I get a unicorn. There you are, unicorn. Can I answer? Sure. Why not, friend? And I also trade. Sure. Okay. A, B, C, happy rats. Me. Okay, so let me see her also. Oh. It's ultra rare. I'm sorry, I have them. I'm poor. Are you making a makeup first? Are you okay? Are you okay, bro? Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? I didn't make it. I didn't make makeup rose. You mistake person. I didn't make makeup rose. You mistake person. It's not me. It's not me. Oh my god. So you guys have to be more because when you take and say something in my comment section down below. So the video is ended today. So goodbye guys. See you in another video.